Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to make a base game. As you can see an example of it, it's a cat which has reached the strawberry, and here we go. We have to. So today, let's start it. For that, first thing is we need a backdrop. I am taking a maze as a backdrop. You can take it a sprite too, but I think the backdrop will be the more comfortable. You can just go to backdrops and make it here with lines, or you can easily upload it from the website. Just save it and just we have to upload it here. Yeah. So here is it. Now we have, let's fix it so that it will look good. Yeah. From one side we will close it because yeah. From one side we will close it from here because so that the player couldn't cheat, but it is, yeah. Let's close it. We have to go to lines and bigger size to 38 and just take a color, this one, and just make it. Okay. We will make one or two so that it look good. And I think what should if we make here too, like this. Yeah. So now we have done with the backdrop with the maze. Now let's come to the sprite and let's do a coding. And one more thing we have to do is we have to make two more backgrounds. That will be first that you win and second you lose. Game over. So here we go. We just have to type here, you win, and just a second, I think. Yeah. You can choose any color as you want. I think let's choose red, and now let's type it. You win. And you can change the font from here. And now let's increase the size of it. Yeah. And let's give it a name, you win. And let's make a next backdrop, duplicate. Okay. And just we have to type here, game over. You can change the size according to you, and you can change the color as well. So it's done, and we have to just do a coding that when green flag clicked, and just go to looks and take switch background to maze, and we just have to give it the name, game over. Yeah. So this we have to do. Now let's come to the sprite. I think you can choose any sprite, a penguin or a chick, whatever you want. So I'm thinking cat. And whenever we click green flag, it will like this. Yeah. First, let's take his size 15. Okay. I have taken the easy one maze. You can take the difficult one too as you want, but Yeah. Now we have to do the coding in as it is. Yeah, this is okay. We have to just do a coding in it that it moves according to our arrows. And one more spot we have to take here, that you can any food you can take, apple, banana, cake, whatever you want. Okay, so let me choose watermelon. Okay, I think this will be okay. So now let's choose a 240 because it will be thicker. Yeah. So let's first do the coding in the strawberry so that when green flag clicked, we will go to controls and take if then block and take forever, and we will go to sensing, touching strawberry. Okay, yeah. So now let's come to the cat. Let's do the coding in cat. We have to go to events, and then because we are taking everything as yeah. First, you can add a gain, add a sound to it, and whatever you want. So now let's first go to motions, and we want the sprite to be in the position like this. So we will choose this, go to this and this because the position is here, so it gets command to this. So whenever we will click to green flag, so it will start from here. So now let's go to controls and take forever block so that it would be in the forever. And now let's go to the if then block, and we have to go to sensing and take key pressed. The key we will press is up arrow, so that we will go to motions and it will take go Y, change Y by by 5. Yeah. So whenever we will click to the up arrow, it will move like this. Okay, it's done. Now we will duplicate it, this, so here, and we will this time do down arrow, and here it will come -5, and then we will again duplicate it and put it here. This time we will take right arrow and change x by change x by 5, change x by 5, and then we will duplicate it and change left arrow to -5. So let's check it if it is working correctly or not. Yeah, it's working. Yeah, but we have to do one more thing, that it would be that whenever we click to the so we want that whenever the left arrow is clicked, so that the sprite moves to the left side, its face turned against it. So let's do that. We will change some coding in this block, and we will take point direction 2. Whenever we will click to right arrow, it will be in the position of 90, and whenever we will click to the left arrow, its position comes to the minus 90. Yeah. So now, and one more thing is we have to do is set rotation. We have to scroll down and set rotation left right so that it will be settled. And let's try it. Okay. Yeah, it's perfect. Okay, so now let's do the coding whenever the black line touches, so the switch background to game over. So for that, we have to go to the events and take when green flag clicked, then go to controls and take forever block, and if then you have to go to sensing and take touching color, and the color we want is this. So we want that if this color touches, so we have to go to looks and take switch background to game over. It's correct. And if you want, you can add some sounds like let's add one sound which is lose. Okay, this sound, or I think the lose will be perfect for it. Start sound lose. Okay, so let's try in once. Okay, it's perfect. Yeah, so now we will want that if the cat touches to the strawberry, so the background switches to the you win. So for that, we will go to whenever green flag clicked, then we to go to controls, forever, if then, and then we have to go to sensing and take touching strawberry, and change background to you win. And if you want, you can add some sounds as well, like win. There's the sound. Let's add it. Win. Okay, let's add it. We have to go to sounds for adding and just add start sound win. So now first let's check like this. Okay, let's check. Yeah, okay, it's perfect. Or you can just change the sound, and whatever you want, you can just take the sound and now we will do the coding in strawberry, and that is we have to go to events, and we want that whenever green flag is clicked, the strawberry moves to its position. Where is it? Here right now, like here. So if by the way somebody moves it here, so whenever green flag is clicked, it will come into the original position. And now we have done. Let's play the game one more for full and let's test it. It is literally a good one or not. Okay, yay, I'm doing well till now. Yeah, Okay, it's done. Or you can change the sound. I think this wind sound is not seems that it is like very much good because it's something doing. I think let's again add this. Yeah. Now let's again start it here. Now let's check if it is okay. I think the wind sound has some problem in it in Scratch, so it's okay. So this is what we have done in this video. If you like my video, so please like and subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Bye bye.